Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to make lemon meringue pie filling. First, ensure you have all your ingredients measured and ready. You'll need fresh lemon juice, sugar, cornstarch, egg yolks, and butter. This preparation step is crucial for a smooth cooking process. Having everything at hand prevents last-minute scrambling and ensures your filling comes together perfectly. Let's get started on creating that delightful tangy flavor. Next, in a medium saucepan, combine your granulated sugar and cornstarch. Whisk these dry ingredients thoroughly to eliminate any lumps. This step is vital for a smooth, lump-free filling. Lumps of cornstarch can create an unpleasant texture, so take your time here. A well-combined dry mixture will dissolve easily when liquids are added, ensuring a silky smooth result for your pie. Now, gradually whisk in the water and fresh lemon juice into your dry mixture. Place the saucepan over medium heat, stirring constantly. Continue to cook until the mixture thickens significantly and comes to a gentle boil. This usually takes about 5 to 7 minutes. The constant stirring prevents scorching and ensures even cooking, creating a perfectly thick and glossy base for your pie. Once thickened, remove the saucepan from the heat. Quickly whisk in the butter until it's fully melted and incorporated. Then, temper your beaten egg yolks by adding a small amount of the hot lemon mixture to them before stirring the tempered yolks back into the saucepan. This prevents the eggs from scrambling. Pour the filling into your baked pie crust and chill for at least 4 hours.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.